Hello and welcome to DST Racing Projects. I'm Dave.
I'm Steve.
And today we are going to carry on doing the engine. Last week we got all the bottom end rebuilt, clutch on there, so we're going to put the bits and bobs together on that and do one or two other bits and bobs in the engine. Most probably get the pistons and all sorts of bits on today, so hopefully we're going to have a good day. So you know the best thing is, we're burning daylight, best crack on. Alright mate?
Alright.
Yeah, so
I'll unravel.
You do.
I'll unravel the new clutch springs.
Yeah, I'm going to use that.
Again, genuine Yamaha parts. I'll unravel them. Dave's cleaned all the parts off.
Yeah, they're all clean and ready.
Again.
It's just a matter of putting these back together again. They are very, as in the last video, well, when we stripped the clutch down, we checked everything out. Not overly keen on the plates, but we've had a word with the guy that owns them. He's got another set of plates at home, so when it's all fixed and been on the dyno and what have you, it'll go back to himself, and he's going to replace the plates instead of sending them all the way up to us. We're going to do it that way.
It's like Christmas this day.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? The thing about these is that you do find that there is just there a little arrow. See? And there's a little arrow on there. A little arrow goes to little arrow.
Little arrows in your clothing, little arrows.
That's showing your age, Steve.
It is. What I was looking for to see if the
Different
coils were closer together one end than they are the other end, but it appears not.
No. The thing about these clutches, places like Scarborough, they are basically a clutch killer. They love these clutches. They'll soon rip them to bits, won't they, Steve?
They will. Only 3 bolts.
If you go with a brand new clutch to Scarborough after the last race, you'll most probably need another new clutch, and possibly during the day as well.
Do them up bit at a time.
Yeah. Get rid of those. Pistons.
There is a torque setting for those, David.
Is it? That's nice.
I think we'll probably use it.
That's nice.
Yes.
Right, I'm putting these in here because we are going to put the studs back, and I don't particularly want anything nasty to fall down inside. They will fill them up like that.
Don't remember what torque setting is.
And that, so if any little bits fall in there, they're going to fall out this way without having to
7.5
take the clutch to bits again.
feet.
Aren't phones amazing that you can find all that information out quickly? With my trusty cable tie cutters. See, the nice bit about
That's
these
the wrong
are
size, David.
they cut them flat. Look, you don't get them nice that jagged edge that you sometimes get with normal side cutters. So that end is like a sharp as a Sharpie thing.
Sharp as a sharp thing.
No, they're not. Safe. That's my tip for the day, Neil. Get yourself some of those. Not sponsored by this company at all, but we could be. So if Plato.
Okay.
Ooh. Have you gone green?
I have.
Yeah, green. Ooh.
There we go.
Happy days.
Oh, here again. Stop singing, David.
I'm gonna have to. That one's a bit gnarly.
What's that?
That feel that on the end on the thread.
Yeah, it's been re-threaded, mate.
Yeah, I'm not. Well, I'm gonna put. I was gonna clean it up first. That one as well. I'm gonna put them over the.
I'll go do that.
Oh. Making my job. Oh, they're tight. These were nice and rusty when they all came out. So we've had a bit of a clean up, a bit of a cleaning session. As you can hear, that's what Steve's doing now. Push them down. When we stripped this down, we found that one of the bolts was completely stuck, wasn't it, mate?
Yep.
It was that stuck, it actually pulled out the helicoil. That sorted that problem out. Bloody fingers.
Move your elbow, Dave.
Hey? And they're getting fixed, Steve, soon, so.
Tea, Dave, tea. Bar.
Yeah. Well, we'll get this done and then we'll have a brew. What do you think? I did put the kettle on. Most important job of the day. Being a tea lady. Or tea person. Tea man? Tea person.
You don't say that.
I don't think so anymore, Steve. I'm not a I'm flipping, I haven't got a clue. Tea idiot. I was watching something the other day, somebody was on about somebody being a Kit Kat at work. Kit Kat, what the hell's that? And it's somebody that's always taking a break. I thought that was very good. So if you get called a Kit Kat by your work colleagues, you're a...
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only thing you can say.
Okay.
You lazy leader. Right. So we're pretty much sorted with that then, Steve-o, aren't we?
Yep.
Tidy up a little bit.
Dave,
Right.
I thought you threw this away.
I did. It's a boomerang seal. Keeps coming back.
Hear about the chicken that swallowed a elastic band?
No.
Laid the same egg all week.
Hey! We played a golf ball. I'll make the tea then.
Right.
Coffee.
We'll stop for tea, shall we?